So we talk about awareness as it is the first step in healing. It is the first step in us changing and growing and expanding. And it is the first step that many times we miss. And even when we do become aware, we wish that we were not. Why is so? Because becoming aware is means that we have now more available. We can see more. So an example that I like to use is an old rag that you've been using to dust your home with, and now it's all kind of gray and dirty. So you continue to use it, it just continues to get a little bit more gray. When you finally wash the cloth, the gray dust is washed off, but now you begin to see the tiny little stains that did not get washed off, that you did not see before you washed it. So washing raised your level of awareness to see those tiny gray stains. Does that feel blissful? It actually feels annoying. It's like, oh my God, I really want to now get rid of that stain. What can I do to get rid of that stain? So it's irritating, it's annoying, and now you see it. Before, it all looked gray. You never saw the tiny little spots. Now you see them. So that awareness can be, it's like, gosh, did I want to know this? And that's many times to be unaware is, I think it's like a inner built defense mechanism. Are you really willing and ready to see what's there? Until you are willing and ready to see, it's going to keep itself hidden. But awareness is a must. It's needed to see those stains. So then we realize that we're actually the stain and the place where there's no stain. We have to hold both of them together. That's holism. So stain is part of us. Stain means those parts of ourselves that are not so pleasant. It's still a part of us. And those are the parts that we need to heal. So awareness is still the key, although it can be a pain in the butt sometimes. So in my upcoming course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, we go into detail about awareness and all the other steps that are needed to move all the way into holism, into living from a place of love. The course begins in July. It's July 19th and 26th, Tuesdays from 12 to, what's the time? 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to post the link and the details below. And I really encourage you to take a look because you're going to get so much transformation from it. I hope to see you there.